So hi and welcome. So a lot of people ask about cruise parking, and I'm just going to run through basically what we're doing currently. So we'll see. So let's see where we are. Holiday Inn. Right on the coast. I believe that's the Virtuoso in the background there. MSC Virtuoso. That's Queen Mary, Cunard over there. So we're actually in the Holiday Inn at Southampton. So we tend to stay at the Holiday Inns, either at the Expresses or this one is the Holiday Inn. So we've got the reception up here, the bar and the coffee area, all very nice. Restaurant area, again very good, all very nice. So our booking actually is for one night with car parking and breakfast and internet, and I'll tell you at the end of the video how much this cost. Oh, and it includes transfers from, although you can see the boats from here, the ships. In fact, the transfers are included both to the port and back from the port, so taxis both way are included, which as I say, I'll tell you the price at the end of this video. Nice seating areas. And again, you're pretty much right on the coast here in Southampton, a very convenient location. So here we are in the Holiday Inn at Southampton. You can see out the window there, right on the shorefront. And we are in room 404, so it's one of these card entries. And as we're coming in, very modern place for your cases. We're leaving our cases in the car till tomorrow morning. Decent sized flat screen telly, remote control, workspace, plenty of plug sockets, desk lamp, nice big mirror. We've got the double bed, unusual these days, telephone, but telephone reception I suppose, if you need to call them. Plug sockets again with USB charge points, and a couple of bedside lights which don't seem to work. I don't know, maybe. Oh yes, they do. Yep. Button on the bottom. Fine. Decent chair. And great view. In fact, the Queen Mary in the distance there. Again, plenty of plug sockets, electric heater if it gets a bit chilly, and air conditioning if it gets a bit too warm. We're club members, so we've got some Kit Kats on the bed there, very nice. Tea and coffee making facilities. Oh, yeah. Nice clean cups. Yep, not furred up or dirty, so that's okay. And Being a rewards member, have a great stay. A bottle of water and some teas and coffees. It's Nescafe and it's Fair Trade Clipper English breakfast tea. Disappointingly, no fridge. There's no fridge there. Hair dryer in a bag, of course. That seems to be trendy nowadays. We're only staying one night, so we don't really need any wardrobe space, but reasonable iron, Julie's stuff, ironing board and some shelves. So fine. Again, another full length mirror and the bathroom. So a nice modern clean bathroom. Plenty of nice soft clean towels and a walk-in shower, glass shower. Nice shower there, look at it. Nice shower head. Oh, yep. Clean. Don't know why they use these plastic tubes, and you know, a bit cheap that, but there you go. We've got shampoo and body wash, a couple of glass glasses, some hand wash and a shaver point. So basically all you need for your night's accommodation. We have booked car parking here. So the price of this room, including our car parking for a week, well 8 days actually, was £155, including full English or continental breakfast. Well, in the past we have done Travelodge and Travel Inns and paid £50 or £60 to stay there, and then we've booked parking separately, and that's generally costed around £90 to £100. So all in all, I don't think at £155 can complain. So that's the member price. It's easy to become a member. Just go and download the app and join the membership reward program. Okay, so what do you think, love?
I think it's lovely. It's fine. It's lovely and clean.
Yeah.
It's lovely and clean. It doesn't
Clean. Oh, bed's very soft. I like firmer beds, but a soft bed.
You'll be sleeping like a baby.
Of course.
As always.
I always do. So, Leonardo Royal Hotel is opposite, and I believe Marco P.A. White Restaurant is in there. Won't be trying it. Right, anyway, so from Travels with the Russells, we'll say thanks for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye.